What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up Shopify store step by step. Well, the process for that is very simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. You have to be at your Google, search for Shopify. Now, searching for Shopify will bring you Shopify.com. Obviously, just go to this Shopify.com, not the free file one. Now, if you go to this website here, click on this login and it will log into your account. Once you are logged in, this is how you will see at first if you do not have any store. Now here, what you have to do is you just have to click on the select a plan and then you have to click on your profile and click on all stores. Now in my case, I've already added some stores, but in your case, you won't see anyone. Just click on this create new store. Now we are actually in the store creation process. Here you just have to read those details carefully and fill it out according to you. So suppose I'm just starting and click on next, and then what type of store I'm making or what I'm selling. So I'm just making an online store. Just click on an online store, and then I'm just selling the products that I make myself. I'm just going to select this according to you, selecting my country or region. After selecting your country or region, it will take some time to build your store. Now it is actually building your store right in the back. Once your store is built up, you will be able to get access of the dashboard. And in the dashboard, I'm going to explain you further things. As you can see, my store is ready to use. Here in this case, this is my online store. First of all, you need to give your store a theme. So for that, just go to online store, go to themes. Now here, as you can see, these are all the themes according to you. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Just select one according to you and add it. And then after having that, you will be able to edit your theme right here. As you can see, mine one is loading up. Once it is done, just click on customize and you will be able to edit your theme. Once you have your whole theme set up, you'll be able to import your products. Just go to this product section and you will be able to add the products, or you can actually import the list from any other store that you have. You will be able to do the drop shipping here as well. Once you have that, the other thing that we will be talking about is how to add the payment methods. For that, you just have to go to settings. In the settings, you will have to simply go to this, payment section. In the payment section, you will be able to see all of these payment methods which you can add. You can add new ones, you can add manuals, however you want. However, obviously, if you like the free trial, you want to make a purchase of Shopify as well. For that, just go to billing, add your payment method, and make the purchase of the subscription. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can create a store on Shopify. Hope you guys find this video helpful.